In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to create a trailer video for your gig on Fiverr, only using Canva. Alright guys, let's get started. So first of all, you guys might be confused on what a trailer video is and what I'm talking about right here. Well, on your gig, you set a picture so when the client goes through different gigs while scrolling down Fiverr to look for some work, to get his work done, there's these images that show up or that represent your gigs, right? So you can also have videos that represent your gigs, and videos are way more engaging, as said by Fiverr themselves. Videos increase user engagement by 40%, and that's pretty good. So alright, so let's get to the main part on how to create one. So on also using only Canva, because most people out there do not have access to Photoshop and Premiere Pro, which are paid applications to creating and editing videos. So let's get started with Canva. So first of all, go ahead onto your web browser and type in canva.com, and then you'll be redirected to the front page where you'll have plenty of options here. What we are creating is a video, so just click on the video option, and then you want to create a blank video template. Click on that, you'll be redirected to another page where you'll have a new startup blank video template. Well, let's decide a theme on for our trailer video. So let's assume we make the service that I offer on Fiverr is creating social media posts. So I want to create a trailer video on about that. So firstly, I would need some prior work that I have done with previous clients. So I have some on my downloaded on my laptop, and I've uploaded them. If I just go over to uploads, there they are, 7 of them, and they're similarly from the same client. They have similar logos and color schemes and all that kind of stuff. And so what the structure of our video is going to be here is I'm going to create plenty of pages, and each will be about 4 to 5 seconds, where I'll add interactive animations to make it look realistic and lively, to make it look like a video rather than a slide or PowerPoint presentation. So let's get started. So maybe I'll have 2 posts per page. Let me just get these added. I'm going to set them on to the corner, increase their size downwards, like about there. Get this to the other corner, right about there. A bit to the middle because this needs to be center aligned. Okay, yeah, there you go. Well, that already sets us at a good, decent spot. Yeah, we got our first page ready, but that's only the background that's ready. Now we want to add some text onto it, of course. We could also add animations to these images, so you know, when they come in, they look nice and lively. We could just go for anything you like. So maybe drift looks cool, rise, pop up, wipe looks really good. I like wipe. It looks like a business styled animation. What about wipe on this side? Only if this one comes from the right side, it will look way better. Down, from down, it looks pretty good. Yep, I'll have that one. Okay, we have set our nice little background right there. And now let's add some text onto it. So we'll go over to our left bar right here on Canva and go over to text option. And when we go over there, we have several different font styles and text styles. Let's scroll down. You can of course add a basic text box and then type in anything you want, but let's go for something fancy, as it's always more engaging and eye-catching. So I like this. It looks very stylish in business. So I'm just going to click on that. Of course, we can change the colors later, the font size, everything is fixable. Let's start with the font size of 100. We don't want it too big. Okay, right, that looks good. And now let's have something catchy as our title, because this is going to be the front video page. So maybe looking for, and then on the second line, high quality posts. Looks good. Let me just increase the size so it's on one line. There you go. Just going, oops. And let's move this somewhere right there. Let's ungroup this. I want to fix. Let me just click at the side, I want to independently make it a bit closer. Okay, that looks good. Now we can group them back again. Oops, no, that was wrong. And shift that and group it. Yeah, looking good. And while this does look good, let's have it somewhere where we can also show the post clearly and the text looks clear. But you can see that the color does not go very well with the background, so let's go ahead and change the color. So text color, well, they have photo color stored here. That's pretty helpful. I'll have that. Let's go for a red look on top and maybe black on the bottom. Okay, that looks very good. Maybe white would look good, and then we can add a transparent black background on the back. That'll give a more professional look. So for that, let's go over to elements and let's add this box right here. I want to type inside. I just want it to increase its size. Okay, that looks good. And let's color it black. And right click and send it to back. Where is that option? Oh yeah, send backwards. One more time. Layer, send backwards. Whoa, that was very bad. I mean, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, yeah, actually this looks perfect. I did not even need to take it backwards, and now we need to work on the transparency of this. So let me oops, right click again. Click on the three dots, transparency, and decrease the transparency around to wherever it looks good enough. Well, this looks pretty good. You can clearly see the background, the posts as well, and you can also have a good look at the text. And the white color right there, look how good, how nicely it stands out, making it look good. Maybe a bit more darker. Looks pretty good to me. And we can also add some animation to our little box right here. Let's click on it and animate it. What animation should we have for this? Oh, I like scrapbook. That looks nice. Alright, good enough. Alright, let's make our text a bit downwards. I want some spacing there. Okay, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good for our first page. Actually, let's have it in the middle. Of course, that would look much better. And let's have that downwards. And I want that downwards. I want to make it look nice and big. And okay, yeah, a middle line right there. Boom. That's a pretty nice for our first page. Let's give quickly some animations to our. Now I can ungroup it, so I can give separate animations to each. Press animate, and maybe that looks good. And this one from up to down. So I'll have actually the side might look good. Yep, looking good. Okay, there you go. We have our first page nicely set, and yep, let's go ahead and go over to the second page now. Let's go ahead again to my uploads and add some new styles. I like this. Let's go ahead and add that. Looking pretty good. Right there. Increase size. Make it so both the images have equal spacing and fit in rightly, so we can show. Yep, looking good. We can give the same style to this as well if you like that, but of course if you have any other different ideas or creative ideas, you can just go ahead and do that. But I'm just going to be doing the same thing again, so I'm just going to add the block. There you go. Click on the side, move it on the top here, increase its size, something like that. Of course I want this to be going black. Then click on the three dots, click on transparency, decrease it somewhere like there. Looking good. We can again go ahead and add some text. Well, we forgot to animate the background, you know, add some nice animations. Breathe. Okay, breathe looks pretty good. I like that. I like that. Tectonic. Yep, pretty clean, pretty neat. Um, Again, we can go ahead and animate our background right here. Pop. Yep, like love that. Go ahead and add some text. We can add the same thing again. If you want to go for something different, okay, let's try something different. Action right here. There you go. And well, you have come to the right place. Look, yeah, that looks pretty catchy. Let's decrease the size to maybe 100. Yep, looking nice. Maybe I'll increase it a bit. And the color orange doesn't go really well, so maybe let's try white. Does white work? Oops, forgot to select the text. White. Right. Still, we could probably improve this, but let's leave it at that for the sake of the video, because it's really going too long at this point. Let me middle align that, and let's give some animation effects. Animation tectonic, let's go for that. And yep, that looks pretty good. And now let's play this. Oops, let's play from starting. Well, would you look at that? That looks super nice. And there you go. Well, you have come to the right place, and this looks super professional. And all of the images in the background, they're continuously moving, giving it a more lively and engaging look. And after you're done with your video, currently it's just 10 seconds, but that's completely okay. You just go ahead and click share and just download the video right here. After that, after you've downloaded it, go back to Fiverr and press browse, and then go ahead and just upload it from onto your laptop, and that'll be it. You'll have a nice looking video or trailer video for your gig, made freely from Canva without the use of any heavy applications or paid applications like Photoshop or Premiere Pro. Well guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.